Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimal from Geek, and in today's guide video I will show you how you can enable call recording on your Android phone. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. How to enable call recording on your Android phone. Now by default, on many Android phones these days you already do have the call recording feature. For example, in my case, what you want to do is you can simply go to settings. Once you go to settings, here you want to look for the option of call recording. It could generally be in the advanced setting tabs, and because your operating system could be different than my operating system as well, I will simply go ahead and click on the search box at the very top, and I will simply search for call recording or maybe some kind of call settings. You want to simply type in call record or record calls or some kind of keywords like that. When you do that, you'll be able to see a list of recommendations from the search list, and you can see the option which says record calls, auto record, recorded calls, and so on. I will simply tap on record calls, and over here again you will find this option which says record call, and tap on the record calls option which you see. Once you tap on record calls, you can see it says auto record calls. So if you want to auto record it, you can simply tap on auto record, and you can also simply show what you want to show after recording. You can see a list of all of the recorded calls so far on this list. You can see a bunch of different ones, and then you could come back. You can also choose where you can save your storage and all of the call recording which you have on your phone. So you can come back from this screen as well, and again on this page. Now let's say that you don't have the call recording feature on your Android phone. In that case, what you could do is you could simply open your Play Store, and you could do it with the help of any third-party call recording application. So go ahead and simply type in call recorder Android or any type of applications. There are a bunch of free ones which you can use in order to record calls on Android. Go ahead and download them and set them up accordingly. And this is the way on how you can enable or activate call recording on your Android phone. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.